Hello my loves, welcome back to Lavendaire. Today I'm excited to kick off a 30-day meditation challenge. So this June we are going to do a meditation challenge where we are going to meditate together every single day for 30 days. I thought June was the perfect month to do this challenge because first of all, there's exactly 30 days in June. Second of all, it's the beginning of summer and I know it's a great time where people have a little bit more time to work on their self-care. First off, why meditation? If you follow this channel, I hope you already know all the benefits to meditation. If not, then I will just list a bunch on screen. But meditation is just one of those cornerstone habits that I believe has a space in everyone's life because it can help you reduce stress and anxiety. It can improve your creativity, improve your sleep, help you become more aware of your intuition and connect with your inner self. There's just so many health benefits to meditation as well, to like regulating your blood pressure and improving your immune system. Like literally, meditation is one of those like one small habit that can solve like 100 different things in your life. Like it will give you more clarity, it could give you more purpose, it will just help you become your best self. And so that's why I think it's a great habit to do a challenge around. And then also this 30 days, we're gonna do this challenge like from easy to difficult. So we're gonna start small. We're gonna start with short 5-minute meditations and then we're gonna like gradually build up to like 10-minute, 15-minute, 20-minute. And the purpose of this challenge is to help all of us build this consistent practice of meditating every single day. I know a lot of people, they know meditation's good for them, but they often like skip it if they're too busy. It's like one of those things that you know is good for you, but it goes on the back burner because everything else in life kind of comes first. But meditation is one of those habits that I think you should prioritize before everything else because it really lays the groundwork and the foundation of like your mind and your calm sense of self so that you can do everything else during your day from like a elevated, more conscious version of yourself. So here's the calendar for this challenge for the month of June. It begins on June 1st and the first video is already out. So basically every Friday I'm gonna release a new meditation video and we're gonna do that meditation for the whole week. So basically the first one you can start right after you watch this video, do that meditation for a week, and then next Friday I'll upload the next video, and then the following Friday I'll upload the following video, and so on. So this is the calendar PDF. You guys can download this. I'll have the link down below where you can sign up for this challenge, download the calendar. And with this calendar, I just like so that you have a visual that you can like check off every single day. So you can check it off like digitally, or you could print it out and check it off physically. So let me know down below if you're in for this challenge. I'd love for you to join us. You don't have to sign up for the emails and the calendar, but it's nice because you'll get a reminder when we release the new meditation video. Also, if you decide to post about this on social media, I encourage you to tag me at Lavendaire and use the hashtag #LaviMeditationChallenge. I'd love to like catch up with your post, and at the end of the meditation challenge, I'd love to like round up some of our favorite posts in this challenge as well. So if you're ready to go, you can start the first meditation by clicking here in the card, or I'll link it down below as well. And just a reminder that the first one is a 5-minute meditation, and then next week will be 10 minutes, the following week will be 15, and then 20. And then each meditation has like a different theme, so they're slightly different. They have like a different focus for each, which I'm excited about. All right, without further ado, I hope to see you guys in this challenge, and I'm sending you lots of love. Let's do this. All right, bye.